Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Is my voice is clear to all of you guys? All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. So Abhishek Sharma, then this is Core Java, right? Abhishek, I think you are attending some frameworks or something else, right? Some other classes you are attending, right? Okay, still you want to attend Core Java? Yeah. All right. Good afternoon, guys. Just give a minute of time. All right, sir. So on a Friday, I have taken on a small demo class. I have taken there on Friday. All right, sir. On Friday, I have taken demo class, and can you please give clarity for me? How many of you have attended that Friday class? Any of you attended on Friday? Last Friday? Nobody? Right. Few members. Anyway, right. Nice. Just let me explain just 2 minutes of time what I completed there on Friday session. Then after that, we are going to continue our session here. Just 2 minutes of time. Then what I completed there. Just I want to give some information related to this course. Then after that, we will continue the content. Right, sir. Then before going to start the content, all right, sir, please all of you take this URL, note this URL, https://tinyurl.com/core java 430 pm notes, core java 430 pm notes. Okay. All of you guys, please take this URL. So this URL is mainly for our notes, classroom notes. Daily, I'm typing some notes there. Then classroom notes, perfectly, we are able to get the classroom notes. That classroom notes here, I'm going to share with you. So daily classroom notes here I'm providing through this URL only. Everybody take this URL so that I will continue the content. Okay. Taken all of you. Right, sir. Clear? Shall we start now? Right. And those who are attending in online, for you, I'm going to paste it in the questions box. Now try to take this. I give in there. Those who are in online, now try to collect it. Right. Right. And now let's come to the details of our class today. What exactly the thing I am telling to you, just 2 minutes of time, just I want to revise the previous class content. Then after that, I'll move on to the next content. Okay. All right, guys, all of you observe carefully. In general, we thought Java is available in three parts. What are the three parts of Java? In general, we are thinking there: core Java, advanced Java, and J2EE. But I'm telling to you, it's a wrong classification. This is not right classification. Okay, what is right classification? What really Sun Microsystems has provided Java programming language? If you think, answer is very clear. Java was provided in three parts. What are the three parts of Java was provided here? Observe carefully. All right, J2SE, J2EE, J2ME, Java SE, Java EE, and Java ME. Clear or not? All right. So if you observe this J2SE part or Java SE, what points can we understood there? What is the abbreviation for J2SE? Actually, Java 2 Standard Edition or Java Standard Edition. Both are same. It will provide only the fundamentals of Java programming language. Only basics are provided, not any other content. It can be used to prepare standalone application. It can be used to prepare what applications there? Standalone application. What is a standalone application actually? Observe carefully. If you design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines. If you design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic, that is only one computer, in a single computer, our complete program we have written, there only we compiled the program, there only we executed the program, there only we are giving input data to the program, there only we are getting output data from the program. Everything is going on within a single machine, within a single device. Then that application is called as a standalone application. What are the various examples for standalone applications actually? Calculator, calendar, paint, and so on. All these applications are like what they're standalone applications. All the things are going on in a single computer. They're not distributed over multiple computers. Next one. How many applications are standalone applications in outside actually? Only 5% of the applications are what there? Standalone applications. How many applications are standalone applications there? Only 5% of the applications. I think girls, you're not comfortable, right? Can you please come to this place now? Then if you want to come, then you can come here. Don't, no problem. I think you're not comfortable there, right? Come this place now. Right. So only 5% of the applications are what they're standalone applications. Its direct utilization is only 5%. Only its direct utilization is only 5%, but its dependency level is how much here now? 1000%. Right? Why? I'm giving that remaining part here. It is a dependent programming language for the technologies and tools like below. To go for J2EE, second module of the Java, J2SE is required, core Java is required. To go for Selenium testing, core Java is required. To go for Salesforce, Java is required. To go for Android, J2SE is required. To go for SAP tools, J2SE is required. To go for Hadoop, J2SE is required, and so on and so on and so on. Single statement, direct statement. Entire software industry is depending on Java. The two J2SE part. Everybody understand my point? If no Java, no software industry in outside. Good. This is about like what there J2SE. Similarly, I given some points to you. Observe carefully. J2EE or Java EE, Java 2 Enterprise Edition or Java Enterprise Edition. Okay, this abbreviation for J2SE abbreviation we are given Java 2 Standard Edition. Now J2EE is what there? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Right. What it will cover actually? It will cover server-side programming. J2EE will cover what there? Server-side programming. Right. By using server-side programming, what applications here we are able to prepare there? What exactly the applications here we are able to prepare by using J2EE, by using server-side programming, we are able to prepare enterprise applications, or what next one? Distributed applications. Enterprise applications are what next one? Distributed applications. If we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that applications are called as what their distributed applications or enterprise applications. Come on, what exactly the meaning of distributed or enterprise application? If we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines. Previously, standalone application definition we have seen. If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple machines, that application is what they're standalone. Now this is what they're distributed, means that on the basis of client server architecture, by distributing application logic over multiple machines, if we design and execute any application, then that application is called as like what their distributed application or enterprise application. All right, sir. How many applications are distributed applications or enterprise applications? No, 95% of the applications are what there? Distributed or enterprise applications. Understand it clearly. Next one, examples for all these are what there? All banking applications. See, simply speaking, in any domain, in any vertical, in any platform, every application is come under what there? Distributed applications, enterprise applications. Some of the examples here I'm telling to you, try to understand these examples clearly. All right, sir. First one is like what there? All banking applications are what there? Enterprise applications. Any bank application, if you take ICICI application or maybe HDFC application, all banking applications are come under like what their enterprise applications. All healthcare applications are like what their enterprise applications. All e-commerce applications are what their enterprise applications. All insurance applications are what their enterprise applications. All social network applications are what their enterprise applications. All food delivery applications are what their enterprise application. Can you give any example on each and every domain? Banking applications are given, ICICI application or maybe HDFC application, all these are okay, banking applications. In a healthcare sector, any application there? No. In a healthcare sector, maybe pharmacy side applications are available. Just best example, Apollo Pharmacy, if you open there might be some software is going on there also. Maybe when you take some medicines in Apollo Pharmacy, they're asking to you, give your number there. And they want to give 10% concession on your overall prescription. So there also be one software is going on. That's okay. Or else, if you go for any application like what there, any application nowadays, any hospital nowadays, no, they're for a tracking, doctors for a tracking all the patients, no, they're using some softwares. That's also like what there, healthcare applications. Leave this. E-commerce applications. Can you tell me an example for e-commerce applications? No, come on. Amazon.com, Flipkart.com, Alibaba, all these things are come under like what there? E-commerce applications there. All insurance applications are available. So many insurance applications are. Best example, LIC. Am I right or not? LIC is an insurance related or not? Like this, private sector is also available on this insurance. Maybe Tata Insurance is available. Like this, so many. Bajaj Insurance is available. So many insurance applications are available. Can you tell me this one? Everybody must know about it, no? Social network applications. Come on. Facebook. What next one? YouTube. And what next one there? Like this. All these are come under like what the social net. Next one. I think so. This is your favorite. Am I right or not? Everybody must use that nowadays, no? Especially those who are staying at Hyderabad hostels. Food is good or not in hostels, no? Food is good or not? No response. In hostels, food is good or not? No, not at all, right? That's why, because of that reason, most of the Hyderabad hostel people are depending on what these applications only. Can you tell me any example for it? No. Swiggy, Zomato, or maybe Uber Eats, I think so nowadays, another one, right? So many, leave this one can. Not only that, maybe digital payments, digital payments, are you aware about it? Think we are using number of times now, phone pay, then what next one apart from this? GPay, Google Pay, and all the things are come under this one. Right, sir. Now these are the examples for like what there, J2EE. Clear? All of you are getting clarity on this? No, just example only. Nothing I've discussed about Java. Just what are the parts in Java? Purpose of each and every part I'm discussing with you now. Right, sir. Next one is after that. What next one here? J2ME or Java ME. Right, sir. What is it? What is the abbreviation for the J2ME? Java 2 micro edition or Java micro edition. It will provide micro programming. It will provide what there? Micro programming. What is this micro programming? No, chip level programming. Inside the chip, some programming is embedded there. That is nothing but what there? Micro programming. It can be used to prepare mobile based applications. It will prepare what there? Mobile based applications. Can observe carefully. If we design and execute any application on a mobile hardware system, then that application is called as what there? Mobile application or mobile based applications. All right, sir. In outside, how many applications are mobile based applications? No, 100% of the applications are what there? Mobile based application. Nowadays, in every sector, mobile support, mobile apps support is available in every sector. Some examples here we have taken. What are the examples here? If you go for banking side, no, every bank is having their own mobile app. Best example is what there? iMobile app from what there? ICICI. Even recently might be they are given one more feature in iMobile app actually. You can scan and pay at anywhere else. Like this, what there? Phone Pay or Google Pay, like this. Yeah, that support is available. Next one is My Idea app from what there? Idea Cellular, Idea Communication. My Airtel, My Idea, like My Vodafone, like this. These apps are available for paying the bills, to know the slabs what we are having about your postpaid accounts or something else. No, this is your favorite again. In entertainment zone, what is this? Another one, Book My Show. Book My Show mobile app is available or not? Right, Book My Show mobile app is available. Again, this is also be favorite, like what there, Swiggy or Zomato. Next one is what there, WhatsApp or Telegram, Phone Pay or GPay, right? All these things are come under what there? Mobile application development. Right, but there is a twist here. What is the twist now? Observe carefully. Please note this point here. All of you note, no, all of you read this point here. Not required note anything. Sit haramly and understand what I'm telling to you. You will understand everything. I'm sharing this total document with my hands. I'm preparing this document. You can get it now, including diagrams and including interview questions and everything. I'll provide to you. I'll type the notes. Don't worry. For the sake of you, I will type the notes so you can understand this clearly. Just read out the statement here. What I given there. Mobile applications are having very good demand in outside, but J2MB does not have demand. No demand is available for what there? J2MB. It doesn't have any demand due to the number of alternatives in the form of Android, Apple iPhone, Switch, and so on and so on and so on. Due to the number of alternatives for mobile application development, J2MB is getting very less demand. Almost all dead. Nobody is talking about J2MB nowadays. If you talk with any Java developer in any company, if you ask them how many parts are available in Java, they may say only 2 parts are available in Java. They're not going to say 3 parts. No, they've forgotten about what there? J2ME. Mobile application development, in the sense, everybody will remember what there? Android, iPhone, these many technologies they are going to be understand, but nobody is remembered about what there? J2ME. So, all of you are getting my point or not clearly? No, right. So these concepts I discussed there in the Friday, just one class I have taken, only these are the concepts, nothing else. I'll share these notes and I will share this video also to all of you guys. 1 minute. Now let us see one time what are the advantages of these courses now. Anyway, before going to start our content, I need to give some commitments to you. I need to give some words to you. That words I'm going to fulfill definitely in the next upcoming days there. Observe carefully. All my classes videos recordings will be provided up to 1 year of time. Access, Google Drive access, I'm going to provide 1 year of time. Official boundary is 1 year of time, But more than that, our people are going to provide to you as videos. Means that one time, if you learn core Java, maybe Java, you should not come back to check for anywhere else regarding the Java. Permanent solution. This is last time that we are learning now. Permanent solution here we are providing. So then try to utilize this opportunity. Maybe if you're missing any class, you are able to have these videos as a backup for you. In the case, in the middle of the course, if you are leaving from Hyderabad, unfortunately, these video classes will be provided to you. They will give some help to you to understand yourself, to continue the course, remaining parts here now. So this is a support only Durgasoft is providing for the offline students and as well as for online students. And only myself, I'm giving this kind of support by thinking about your benefit. Tell me guys, really I'm asking there, that videos are helpful for you or not? Are supporting very good support or not? So that we are able to get from Durgasoft now. No need to worry for it. Next one is all my classes material will be provided in the form of hard copy and as well as in what their soft copy. For online people, we are giving soft copy. For offline people, we are giving what their hard copy. But hard copy is a little bit chargeable. Xerox cost might be our people are going to take. Don't think much about this cost here. Less cost only. Xerox cost, how much cost available that we are going to provide there. Don't worry for it. Free access to the classroom notes, free access to the application. That means just now giving one URL. If you open that URL, you are able to see the classroom notes. Got it now? Up to the latest, yeah, this is very, very important. Up to the latest version of the Java, we are going to talk. Some people may have doubt which version we are going to teach, sir. If you ask me, my answer is every time is very clear. Up to the latest version. As of now, what is the latest version there? As of now, what is the latest version there? Any idea? Java 19th version at present. Which version is available there? Java 19th version. That is the latest version at present as of now. Got it or not? That we are going to understand. For example, while completing your course, while finishing your course, if any other version is coming there, for example, if any new version is available, Java 20 is available at the time of completing your course, and by default you can understand that Java 20 is also be included in our content. Java 20 is also included in our content. Try to recognize this, what I'm telling you clearly. Next one is, that is the meaning of up to the latest version. At the end of each course, at the end of the course, you are able to get what their course completion certificate, Durgasoft with the logo. Logo of Durgasoft, you are able to get course completion certificate. Definitely, it will be useful for you whenever we are moving for interviews in outside. Sir, got it or not? What I'm telling you now. Next one is after that. All right, sir. Now this is another important thing what Durgasoft is putting concentration nowadays. Please recognize this. What I'm telling to you. Anyway, we are providing some campus drives. Like what there, we are inviting number of companies to Durgasoft. Companies are coming here. They will conduct some drives at Durgasoft. So number of people are going to be selected through Durgasoft platform. Even some people are going to be selected in the companies there, even without completing their courses also. Proudly, I'm telling there, 80% is the success rate of my classes. For every 100 members, 80% of the members are going to get jobs. For every 100 members, 80 members are going to get jobs in outside, maybe 1 month before or 1 month later. But when it is a case, no, when we have to attend the classes up to the ending point, continuously, if you attend the classes, if you put more concentration, then only it is possible. Guys, it was proven not even in this time now. Right from last 15 years onwards, I'm taking the Java classes. Last from 15 years onwards, the same scenario is going on. Understand it what I'm telling you. No need to think much about it. No, continuously if you come for my class there, up to the end if you come for my classes there, definitely you are able to get job. For every 100 members, 80 members, 80% of the people are going to get the job in every batch. But 20% of the people light. They're not serious about the technology, just time pass purpose, they are coming there. But from my side, effort will be 100%. From your side also, effort must be 100%. Then definitely we are able to get jobs. Yes, got it clear? All of you know, right, sir. Next one is, yeah, this I'm telling there. How I'm going to give this much of confidence to you? We have some strategies about it. On every topic, we are going to conduct some written tests. Say, for example, tomorrow if I complete one topic there, tomorrow you will have written tests. So you must be study for it. where we are going to evaluate your papers, we are going to display that marks in notice boards there, then the total environment is common, normal, very normal. So definitely we are able to get it. Next one, optionally, but I'm not giving guarantee for it, but optionally, mock interviews we are going to be conducted. Once for subject, 1 or 2 times for subject, mock interviews we are planning there. Don't worry. Then, if possible, I will take that interviews there. Otherwise, some of my friends are working with companies there at manager level. I'll call them. They will take interviews for you. So they will give some tips also to you how to manage that interviews and how to prepare for that interviews and all the content here. This is one thing here. Of course, remaining is somewhat technical here. I'm telling to you, but at the end, I'm telling to you clearly, guys. Only one time only I'm going to discuss all these things. Once a subject is started there, continuously we are going to talk about subject only. But in very introduction class, I have to give some confirmation to you. That's why I'm telling all these points here. At the end, what I'm telling there, I'm going to make all of you, I'm going to prepare all of you to teach Java to somebody else in outside. Once you are in a position to teach Java to somebody else in outside there, completing your interviews or finishing your projects is nothing. Once you are in a position to teach Java to somebody else. So that kind of confidence level I'm going to provide to you. So that the totally remaining part is totally depending on you. If you're in a position to catch my concepts here, if you understand every point here, nothing else, easily we can teach the Java to somebody else now. So this kind of confidence level, we are able to get it clear. If interviewer is asking one question to you, you are able to give answers in all the directions for that question. You are going to give answers for all the directions for that particular question. Interviewer should not ask again the question from the same content here. In that way, we are planning our course there now. Right, guys. Anyway, now this is a clear-cut information there. So I'm going to work with the multiple databases there. When we go for advanced Java concepts now, multiple databases we are going to use. Working with multiple servers like WebLogic, like what their Wildfly, and the next one is like what their Glassfish, then Tomcat, and so on. Working with multiple IDEs, Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA, NetBeans, whatever it may be. All these are in the companies. We are going to use all this. So right from our classes onwards, we are going to use each and every one. Right, sir. Next one is what there. Interview questions part of the course. I'm going to dictate the notes there. I'm going to type the notes there. Inside this, I'm going to include that interview questions. Then it will be helpful for you. Then what next one here? Up to the latest question. Already we had discussion on this particular point here. That's okay, guys. Right, sir. Now observe carefully. After completion of this, all of you understand this. I'm telling to you one more point. Now these are the things here we discussed there. Just I'm giving from my side the confirmation about this course. Right, all of you understand this clearly, guys. So what exactly the course, if you observe this is like what I'm telling to you, Java, right? Core Java. Everybody understand this one time, 1 minute of time. So here we are going to have some syllabus here. Anyway, after the class, you can receive a WhatsApp message. There we are able to see the total syllabus of every content. Are getting my point here? Okay, fine. But one small change I'm telling to you, now try to understand it now. If you observe the course content here, observe carefully. First of all, I will go for like what there introduction. That very first topic is like what there introduction. Last 1 minute, I'll start our content. No need to worry for it. And second one is what? After this introduction, you'll see steps to prepare first Java application. And the third one is like what there language fundamentals. Third one is like what there language fundamentals. And the fourth one is like what there oops concepts. Answer my point. Then after that, fifth one is like what there wrapper classes. All right, sir. After this wrapper classes, next one is like what there inner classes. Then after this string manipulations. String manipulations. Next one is like what there after this string manipulations. No packages. Next one is like what there exception handling. Then after this exception handling, next one is what there multi-threading. After this multi-threading, IO streams. Next one is like what there after completion of this, see, and so on and so on and so on. So many topics are available. You'll get a syllabus list. There we can understand clearly. Like nearly how many topics are available after this? No, nearly 35th topic after this. Nearly what topic there we are going to understand there? 35th topic there we are going to understand like what there Java 19 version features. 35th or 36th topic we can understand clearly. You'll get the total syllabus content here. No need to worry for it. No need to think much about it clearly. No. Yes, sir. Now this is syllabus. No. Guys, all of you understand. Only one minute of time. I'm telling to you. Observe carefully. See, out of all these concepts here, from which topic onward Java will start there? Any idea? Out of these many concepts, no, from which point onwards our actual Java will start? Right, right from whoops, right from whoops. Not for introduction here, not from the steps. No, actual Java will start from what there? Whoops, whoops concepts onwards, or actual Java will start. But why I'm taking these first three topics? No, I don't know where we are in a technology, in a technically. I don't know where we are in technical. I don't know what exactly the status of your programming languages knowledge now. So whatever it may be, but I want to keep all of you in a track. Because of that reason, first three topics here I'm taking now. Got it or not? In the introduction, nothing about it. Theory, completely theory. What I'm going to discuss there, why Java, differences between Java, C, C++, Java features, somewhat theoretical points here. Next one is steps to prepare first application. How to write first program, class, test, public static void main, string array args, system out allow what, how to save program, how to compile it, Java C space file name dot Java, how to execute the program, Java space main class name. Then after that, fundamentals, how to write if conditions, how to write for loop, and how to write while loop, how to write break statement, continue statement. These are the fundamentals what we might be seen in C programming language. So first three topics are only foundation course, not actual Java. But actual Java will start from what there? Oops concepts onwards. Sir, got it or not? Guys, please remember what I'm telling to you. Listen. There is a small schedule change. Apart from that, I'm not going to talk about it. This first three topics I'm going to start right from what there? 4:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. First three topics I'm going to take in what time here? 4:30 to 6. Guys, observe carefully. But fourth topic onwards, actual Java, I don't want to kill your time. I don't want to waste your time. As early as possible, I will start this Java, direct Java. As early as possible, I'll start Java there. Oops, onwards. No. Meanwhile, parallelly, I'm going to take what there? This introduction classes, that foundation classes to you. But everybody will understand right from oops concepts. But I want to give some, I want to strengthen your fundamental concepts here. That's why I want to take these classes at what time there? 4:30 to 6. But what about these oops concepts here? From which point onwards I'm going to, at what time I'm going to take these oops concepts here? Next to one more slot I want to take. One more slot I want to take there. That is what there? 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. That's it. From this point onwards, I'm going to continue what there? Oops onwards. Guys, real I'm telling there, everybody will start from this topic on Java. But I'm going to take these classes 6 to 7:30. But before that, these three topics I'm going to take as the foundation part. That 4:30 to 6, I'm going to take this one. All right, 6 to 7:30, I'm going to take this what there? Foundation classes. Please recognize this, what I'm telling there. But when onwards, I'm going to take this particular session there. Understand this clearly. After 3 days of time max, right, including today, maybe next Thursday onwards, max we may plan for what there. After 3 days onwards, we are going to take this one. That means from Thursday onwards, we are planning to take this particular class here along with this class now. These classes may be going on up to few days of time, max hardly 10 to 12 or 20 to 15 days of time. I'm going to take this one, but after 3 days onwards, we have to take these classes there clearly now. All of you are getting clarity? Nothing. This is because of your benefit only. Almost 10 to 15 days of time I'm going to save for the sake of you. Moreover, actual Java will start from this point only. Everybody will understand the concepts right from this point. Yes, sir. All of you are getting clarity or not? No response, guys. Clear to all of you? No, nothing else. Few days of time you have to attend both the sessions. No, but once these fundamentals are completed, directly we have to come at what time there? No, 6 to 7:30. Right, sir. Now this is, I'm telling that this is not going to be included actually, but because of your understanding level, because of increasing your understanding level, I'm going to take this first 3 days of classes parallelly. Next Thursday onwards, we are planning to take what there? Oops concepts here, we are going to understand. Clear? All right, sir. Now this is the content here. This is a change here I'm telling to you now. All right, sir. Now At 4:30 to 6, 3 topics are confirmed here. Now let us start these 3 topics now. Right, sir? First, I want to start like what there steps to prepare first Java application. Theory, I will discuss with you. Don't worry. After completion of the steps to prepare first Java application, I'll discuss somewhat theory. No need to worry for it. Guys, all of you are getting it or not? Just somewhat theory is available that I will discuss with you. But this is somewhat interesting for us. Steps to prepare first Java application is what there somewhat interesting for us, that we are going to discuss there clearly. Then after that, we'll go for what there that when time is available, gradual I'm going to discuss about the theory. Yes, all of you are okay, no? Shall we start this first application here? All right. Listen, one more time I'm telling to you, don't have any deviations, don't have any other thinkings in our mind. Once you are taking first step, once you are taking steps inside the class now, forget about the work. Whatever the things we are having there, forget about it. Try to put concentration on the class only. Again and again, I'm telling that just if you attend the class, if you listen the concepts, easily we are able to complete the interviews. But you have to put 100% concentration in the class. Every point I'm going to give much clarity for you. But from your side, effort is required. Clear to all of you now? Right, sir. Now let's see this one. Steps to prepare first Java application. If you want to prepare first Java application, what I required, sir? Just minimal. I'm telling there, I have a laptop. In my laptop, only operating system is available. That's it. I don't have any other. Only I have what there? Operating system. Please understand this clearly. Only operating system is available. I don't have any other one. Sir, got it or not? So now I want to prepare my Java program. Tell me, if you want to prepare a program and if you want to run your Java program, what I required in my system? Come on, what I required? If I want to compile and execute my Java program, what I required in my computer? Java software is required or not? So as a first step, what we are going to do there, download and install Java software. Come on guys, what is the first step there? Download and install Java software. This is very first one. Okay, Java software I installed. Required configurations I provided with the Java software, that's okay. Then next I need to write the program or not? Come on guys, I'm asking one question to all of you now, try to answer this now. If you want to write some data, we require a notebook or not? We need a notebook or not? Notebook, inside the notebook page is required or not? On that page we are writing that page is available in a book. That book we are going to keep in a shelf or not? Come on. Similarly, I want to write a program, then how it is no? If you want to write a program, we require a page or not? That page we have to be keep in a book or not? That book we have to keep in a shelf or not? Similarly, if you want to write the program, we need Java editor. What we require now? Java editor, like your book, like your notebook where pages are available. Similarly, Java editor is required. So what we have to do there, download and install Java editor. Download and install what there? Java editor. Clear to all of you what I'm telling you? All right. So download and install Java editor. Observe carefully. Then after that, point number 3. Okay, Java software installed, editor is ready. Then what next one? No, I have to write the program. I have to save that program in my system or not? I have to write the program. I have to save that program in my system or not? All right, so that's why here what we have to do there. Open Java file. Open Java file and write a Java program. Write what there? Java program. Open Java file and write Java program. Okay, sir. To write minimal Java program, what we required, I'll explain to you. No need to worry for it. To write a minimum Java program, what we required, I'll explain to you. No need to think much about it clearly. Leave this one. Open Java file and write Java program. That's okay. Nice. After that, all of you put more concentration. Next one is what there? I have written my Java program. Then I have to save that Java file into my system or not? I have to save the Java file into my system or not? Observe carefully. So for that purpose, then what we have to do there? Save Java file in our computer, in memory or in our computer. We need to save that Java file. Why I'm taking this particular step now? Save Java file. No, there's a lot of story while saving the Java files. Even very good interview questions are available to save the Java files. Guys, observe carefully what I'm telling you, right? Then step number 5, after saving the Java file, next one is what there? Compile Java file. We need to compile the program. Before going to execute the program, we have to cross check whether our program contains any error or not, any mistakes we have done or not. We have to cross check it or not. For that purpose, we have to go for what there? Compile Java file. Lastly, what we have to do there? Execute Java program. Execute Java program. Guys, all of you, observe carefully. Again and again, I'm telling to you. Some of you are deviating, guys. Don't deviate. Now try to put more concentration on. Everybody, then feel free and try to understand each and every point. Tell me, I'm asking this question to all of you now. Tell me, if you want to write any first program, if you want to write first application, what are the various steps here we require now? Tell me here. What steps here we require there now? Tell me. Nearly 6 number of steps are required. What are the 6 steps here we require here? First one is download and install what? Java software. Download and install what? Java editor. Next one is what there? Open Java file. Write a Java program. Fourth one is what? Save Java file in our computer. Fifth one is what there? Compile Java file. Last one is what there? Execute Java program. Shall we see each and every step one by one clearly? Everybody, right? Now try to put more concentration here. First one is I want to go with what there? Download and install Java software. Download and install Java software. All right, sir. Download and install Java software. Observe carefully, all of you guys. All right, download and install Java software. Before going to show installation of the Java software, already some Java softwares are installed in my system. Already I have some Java softwares in my system. Let me uninstall them. After that, again, I want to install the Java softwares. Clear? First of all, how we are going to uninstall, guys, my Java software there? You know, my Java softwares are available already in this location. What is that location there? C drive. Inside the C drive, Java folder I have already. Is it visible? Last one. Okay. Visible? Okay. Inside this Java folder, all my Java softwares are available. I want to uninstall this Java softwares. What I have to do? Select all. Can I click on delete button? Can I click on delete button? So Java software is going to be uninstalled or not? If I click on delete button, all Java softwares are going to be uninstalled or not? No response, guys. Can I delete them? No. This is not the way to uninstall your softwares. Most of the people are doing this kind of work. No, this is not the way to uninstall all of your Java softwares. But how to uninstall software? Not only Java software, any software. How we are going to uninstall these Java softwares? No, first go to the control panel. Go to what there? Control panel. Go with what there? Control panel. In control panel, programs. The option is available where uninstall a program option is available. Yes, sir. Uninstall a program. That option is available. All right, sir. Click on this uninstall program. There we are able to get all the softwares which are installed in our system. Yes, sir. Clear or not? How to uninstall programs? I'm saying that don't delete the softwares directly. Just we have to go for uninstall. Uninstallation is also a program. Uninstall is also a software that it will clear all of your software what we installed there clearly. Now. All right, so nearly Java 6, Java 7, Java 8, and Java 17 versions are installed in my system. Let me uninstall each and every one. Let me uninstall each and every one. Now let me check this one here. It may take minute of time here to uninstall the software. No, so just we have to wait for it. Yes, sir. Just it may take a few minutes of time. Then we have to wait for it. Observe carefully. All right, sir. First one is what there? Yes, ma'am. Huh? Why you are leaving? Okay. All right, please. Right, sir. Now just wait for it. Now it's completed here. All right, guys. And I'm requesting to you. So it's we have to wait until the completion of the classes now. But one small request I'm telling to you. So in my classes, anyway, I don't want to put any conditions over you. Then the point is what there, but I don't have any constraints inside the class. Only one constraint now. Once you are step inside the class now, then we have to wait until the completion of the class. In the middle, it's not good thing to leave from the classes there. Even it's totally your time waste and my time waste, no, right? Think of it. So not like that. Just we have to sit until the completion of the class. See, even of course 1 or 2 days of demo classes. No, once you start the classes there. So once the classes are started until the end, everybody has to sit. If you're unable to sit 1.5 hours of class, how you are going to complete projects at your companies there? In our companies, maybe days and days out, and we have to sit to complete your projects there. Then how it is possible? So that's why then this is not the way in my classes. No, then we have to sit until the end of the classes. Right, sir. Anyway, let's wait for it. Now let me uninstall the content here. All right, sir. Then after that, almost all completed. Another program is being okay, fine. Right. All right, sir. Now overall, Java softwares I uninstalled in my system. Clear? Right, sir. Now let's see this. One more setup I given about my softwares there. Let me remove that setups also. Right click on this PC properties. Anyway, not required for you immediately, but I want to remove everything about this Java. All right, path environment variable is available. Java home is existed here. Let me delete it. And Maven home, it's okay, fine. Path, the path is existed here. Let me check this. Here Java is available. Let me delete it. Of course, now. All right, sir. In my system, no Java is existed. Almost all. In our content also there. If you observe in C drive, in Java, nothing is available, right? That folder, okay, I want to maintain it for installation of the new folder. Again, in another way, I want to check whether Java is available or not. Let me open command prompt now. Java C, I typed it. What I got there? Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command or operable program or batch file. Is that clear or not? All right, so now this is exactly the meaning of like what there, uninstallation of the Java software. My system is totally Java free system. My system is totally what there, Java free. No Java is available in my computer. Clear? All of you are getting clarity on this? All right. Now let's download the Java software. First of all, I want to download the Java software. Our step is what there, download and install Java software. Let me download the Java software. Just Google it. Not required to remember anything. Just Google it. All right. All of you observe carefully. Initially, for startup programming, for very fundamental programming, 3 versions of Java I want to install. What are the 3 versions? No, Java 6, Java 7, and Java 8. For startup of the program, I want to start with the Java 6 version programming there. I want to take what there, 3 versions of the Java. All of you guys observe carefully. But we are going to discuss up to what there, Java 19th version there. Java 19th version we are going to discuss in our classes up to that. But initially I want to install 3 versions. For the sake of our demonstration, I'm going to install it. So first of all, let me download Java 6 version again. Java 6 download. Just Google it. That's it. Not more than that. No need to remember anything. If I click on it, maximum, the very first result in the search, first or second results in the search from the vendor of the Java software only we are able to get. Home of the Java software. What is the home of the Java software? No, Oracle Corporation. What is the home of the Java software? Oracle Corporation. What we are getting, sir, now tell me. Java RQ downloads. Java RQ downloads. All right, sir. Now please remember this. This RQ downloads only we have to download. From RQ downloads, right click on it and open a new tab. Now here we are getting this one, right, sir? First of all, before going to download your Java software, you have to download depending on your operating system. Depending on your operating system only, we have to download our Java software. Am I right or not? All right, sir. Now observe carefully. If you are not comfortable, girls, you can come to the first places, chairs. Then if it's okay, then you can sit there. Otherwise, come here. If you're not comfortable, better. All right, sir. Now come for this. Now here I'm telling there Java software we have to download from where there, depending on your operating system here, we have to download the Java software. First of all, let us see what is your Java software, what is your operating system actually. How we are going to identify the operating system. Now see this one here. If you want to identify the operating system, just go to this PC, right click here, properties. All right, now all of you observe carefully what we are getting here now, this part here, understand this part. What we are getting there, this one, just read this one here. 64-bit operating system or not? 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor. 64-bit operating system, x64-bit based. Got it or not? Processor, no. Okay. Windows 10, my operating system is what there? Windows 10, 64-bit. Now, observe carefully. Go to our file here. So, Linux related Java softwares are available. Right, so scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Here we are getting what there? Windows 64, Windows x86, Windows x64. Now 64-bit operating system I required. So that I have to download or not? Now this is my part here. Just click on it. Click on it. Now it is asking about license agreement. License agreement, no need to check any other one. Now directly select this one. If you select this one here, we are able to get download option. Click on this download option here. When you click on this download option, it is asking about Oracle account details. Understand one point here. If you want to download any software from the Oracle website, you must be the account holder of the Oracle. Got done? Not? Free account creation only. If you want to become as a Java developer, definitely you require what their account, Oracle account we require. As of now, so far if you are not having any account of you, just click on what their create account button, where one some registration form will open, where enter the data. Then finally we are able to create an account. Understand it clearly. Of course, in the registration page now, it is asking about your company name and your mobile number. No issues. Give that fake information. For example, your name is like what the Rahul, for example, Rahul Soft Tech, something else we can write it. Nobody will check that. Nobody cross check with that. Nobody will cross check it. Give some details now. Finally, we can create your username and password here. I have already my account here. I need to give my account details here. Right, sir. Now it's going to be downloaded. At bottom here, we are able to see what there download option here now. Just wait for it. Now it is downloading. My username and password is right. Then it is going to be downloaded here now. Almost a 60 KB content is available. That is downloaded here. All right, sir. Now it is downloaded. Now it's already existed here. Just we can understand clearly. All right, sir. Similarly, like what there, and after that, no, Java 6 download is completed. Now I need to go for what there, Java 7 download here I want to get. All versions I want to download at a time now. Let me click on this. All right, so now here again, what we are getting there now, tell me Java ESC 7 RK downloads. Right click on it, open a new tab. Right, so now let us scroll down. Again here we have to check what there, your operating system there. Scroll down, where we are getting our Windows there. Here we are getting Windows or not? Windows x64. Now JDK 7 U80, U80 is what there? Update 80. Now click on this. Click on this. Now select like what there? All right, this one, and click on this download. One time login is sufficient in Oracle account. Any number of versions we can download on that particular browser. Now it's downloading there. Almost 140 MB of size it is having there. Now almost it is downloading. Just we have to wait for it, then it will be completed. Now it was completed, sir. Now that is downloaded. Okay, Java 7 is also be downloaded here. That's okay, fine. Next one is after that, what I have to download there. Next one here, after that, Java 8 I want to download. JDK Java 8 to download that I want to provide. Click on enter button. Click on enter button here. All of you observe carefully. All right, sir. Now download Java. That means Java 8 downloads. Not from this here, Oracle. Yeah, this one, archive downloads. Better to go for what there? Archive downloads. Search for it, Java SE, archive downloads. Right click on it and open a new tab. Now it's open here. Here also we have to select what, sir? Now tell me, we have to search for operating system specific or not? Operating system specific, no. Observe carefully. Windows 64 is available or not? Please remember one statement I'm telling to you. Java program, whatever the program we prepared, that is platform independent. Java program is what there? Platform independent. Prepare in, compile in one operating system, run in any number of operating systems. But Java software is platform dependent. Java software is what there? Operating system dependent. But Java program, whatever the program we prepared, that is what there? Platform independent. Now we are downloading Java software on the base of the operating system or not? We are downloading Java software on the base of the operating system or not? That's why Java software is what there? Platform dependent. But Java programming language is what there? Platform independent. That means Java program is what there? Platform independent. Right, sir. Now let me click on it. Now select this one and click on download JDK 8 update 202. Right, sir. Now once it is completed, then I will start the installation process. Almost, sir, how many versions I downloaded, sir? 3 versions. Tell me what are the 3 versions now? First one is what there? Java 6. Second one is what there? Java 7. Next one is what there? Java 8. These 3 versions only. Observe carefully. All right. Now let me copy all of them. Show in folder. Show in folder. Right, sir. Now here, Java 6, Java 7, Java 8. 3 versions are available. Let me copy them. Let me copy them. In general, I want to keep all my softwares in a particular location in my system. I used to keep all my softwares in a particular location in my system. All my softwares I want to keep at which location there? E drive. E drive. Inside the E drive, softwares location, I created a folder structure like this. Here also, I'm requesting to you to do the same thing. It's a good mechanism, right? So E drive softwares where JDKs folder I created, they're already previously downloaded the same thing. Right click and click on what there? Paste. If we click on paste now, automatically whatever the softwares we downloaded, all the softwares are going to be provided here. Already had the same copy previously. Sir, got it or not? I have already same copy previously. I'm not going to click on paste here. If we click on paste, it will come there. Clear or not? JDK 6 update 45, JDK 7 underscore 80, JDK 8 underscore 202. The same softwares are downloaded. They are available with us. Okay, right. Finally, what we completed, guys. Now tell me how to download Java softwares. We completed or not? No response. Clear? All of you are following this now? Sir, feel free. This is your class. Then you are attending this class. Every bit you have to understand. Without understanding the concepts, you should not leave from the class. You are coming here for the sake of understanding each and every one, each and everything. At the same time, I am coming here to teach concepts to everybody. So everybody has to understand my subject. Then only a completeness will come. I'm telling that this is not in the point of like what they're doing some business and discussing fastly, completing this batch in earlier mode and starting. Not like that. Once you are coming here to learn the concepts, once I'm coming here to teach the content, I have to fulfill my responsibility. You have to fulfill your responsibility. Both we have to complete. Then only satisfaction will come, both the sides. Otherwise, no satisfaction. Getting clarity or not? All right, so now observe carefully. All right, sir. Then after that, all of you observe carefully after completion of this. I want to install Java software. First of all, I want to install Java 6 update 45. Clear? All right, sir. Double click on it. Double click on the setup file. What we downloaded, what we kept at / software's location, what we provided here. Double click on it. Yes, sir. All of you are following or not? Some people are sleeping, sir. The person who is sleeping, he is turning back his face now. Don't sleep inside the class now, please. Listen carefully. First program, very first program I'm showing now. Okay, right. Now here, this is welcome message. No, then click on what button here? Next button. Click on next button. Now all of you observe carefully. One point I'm telling to you. Listen, all of you listen carefully. When if we want to install Java software in our system, two parts of that means two products are going to be installed in our system. When we are installing Java software, where automatically two parts are going to be installed in our system. What are the two parts which are going to be installed there? First one is JDK. Another one is what there? JRE. JDK and what next one? JRE. JDK is what there? Java Development Kit. JRE, what there? Java Runtime Environment. Tell me, what is JDK? Java Development Kit. What is JRE? Java Runtime Environment. JDK is what actually JDK is the original Java software. The complete Java software is embedded with the JDK. JDK is the original Java software actually. But JRE is what there? JRE is giving some environment for running our program, for executing our program. It gives some runtime libraries to the JVM. It provides some environment for running our program. That is JRE. But JDK is really our Java software. Okay, anyway, when we install Java software, two products are going to be installed, JDK and JRE. First, JDK is going to be installed. That's why it is asking now the location where you want to install the JDK. By default, it has taken which locations are now, tell me. By default, what location it is taking there? C:/program file /java/JDK 1.6.0_45. This is the location it has taken or not? But my interest is what there? I don't like to install my softwares under program files. That is my comfort actually. But if you want to install under program files, we can go ahead, no problem. But my intention is what there? I don't like to install softwares and program files. I thought of it is not good, but of course it's not mandatory. If you feel comfortable under program files, you can install it. So I want to change that location, guys. If I want to change the location here, what I have to do now? There is a button. What is button? What is this button now? Change button. Click on this change button. Now here there is a possibility to change the location. I'm going to remove program files here in this location. Leave it. Now finally, what is my location there now? Tell me. C Java JDK 1.6.0_45. Click on OK button. Now location is finalized or not? Come on, location is finalized or not? Yes, location is finalized here. Now what we have to do there? Click on next button. Now JDK is going to be installed. When JDK is installing there, then immediately it is asking about JRE. When JDK is installed there, then immediately it is asking about what there? JRE installation. Right, sir. Now see this. What it is asking there now? What is asking there now? JRE. JDK is installed. Now it is asking about JRE location. By default, which location it has taken there? C:/program files/java/JRE6. Now again, what I have to do? As I want to install my Java software under C drive Java folder, I need to remove that program files or not? Please, I'm requesting to everybody, installing JDK under C Java, installing JRE at some other program files. No, don't do that. Try to install JDK and JRE both at a single location. Both you must provide at a single location, not on two different locations. It will be a confusion one. Of course, it's possible, but it's a confusion, not required. Both JDK and JRE, both you have to install under what location there? No, same location. Clear or not? All of you know, right? Now let's try for this. I want to change this location there. To change this, I have to click on what button here? Change button here. We have to provide. Now inside the change button here, there is an option to change that one. I want to remove program files. I want to remove program files. C Java JRE6. Click on what button here? No, OK button. Right, sir. Now location is finalized or not? Come on, guys. Location is finalized or not? Then what we have to click there now? Next button. Click on next button. That's finished. Automatically, the JRE is going to be installed. 3 billion devices run Java. That is a portability of the Java. Like 3 billion devices are running Java. That's clear to all of you know? Right, both are installed. Finally, what button is available? What we are getting the message now? Successfully installed Java SC Development Kit 6 update. Alright, so then what we have to click there? Close button I have to click or not? close button I have to click. So file, now tell me one version I installed. Which version I installed there? Now tell me. Java 6 version. I think you want to see the location, how it was installed. Am I right or not? All right, so now let's see this one. Now get this PC, C drive, Java folder. Now see this one. What folders are available? In a C Java, then two folders are created or not? That JDK is what there? JDK. JRE folder is what there? JRE. Both are installed or not? Are you getting clarity how to install Java softwares now? But again, I'm telling there, installing without using program files location is my interest. If you like to install your Java softwares under program files, you can go ahead. You can install it in that respective location. No problem. I'm telling one more point. At any location in our system, you can install Java softwares. Not mandatorily to install your Java softwares under C drive. Even in D drive, under E drive, under F drive also, we can install your Java softwares. But not possible in our pen drives or hard disk, DVDs and all. Got it or not? In your system memory, at any location, you can install Java softwares. Not mandatory to use the same location what I have used. If you like to install your softwares under D drive, go ahead, you can install it. If you like to install your Java softwares under F drive, if you have any, then there you can install it. But convention is what there? C drive. Suggestible thing is what there? C drive. Under C drive, I'm going to install my Java software, already installed that clearly. Now let's come for the next one here. Now you only give guidelines to me how to install that Java 7 version. Now tell me here that setup file is available or not? I downloaded this file from the internet or not? Now let me double click on it now. If I double click on it, automatically now it is asking about what there? Welcome. That means it is asking about what there? Next message, right? Click on next button. Now tell me what I have to do now. What version it is, what it is asking there? JDK location it is asking or not? Now as per my style, as per my convention, I have to change the location or not? All right, sir. So I have to click on which button here? I have to click on which button? Change button. If I click on change button, there I can, I'm able to change that location or not. So now here we are able to remove what their program files. See Java JDK 1.7.0 underscore 80. Then click on what button now? OK button. Location is finalized. Now click on what button here? Next button. Then it is installing what there? JDK. Then it is installing what there? JDK. All right, sir. Once JDK is completed, then it is trying to install what there? JRE. Now it is asking about the location JRE or not? It will ask the location of JRE installation here. Just wait for a minute of time. It is asking there now. Actually, in my C drive, so many softwares are already installed. That's why it is taking a bit of time. Actually, my laptop memory is what? There nearly 20 GB memory is there. On fraction of seconds, it's going to be installed. But now it is a bit delay. Why? Because so many softwares are installed actually. Memory is full with that. That's why it is running a bit slow. But don't worry. In your systems also maybe a bit delay. You are able to get it now, depending on your RAM, right? Now let's see this one. Now JRE is asking there, but I want to remove that program file. So what I have to do there? Click on change button or not? All right, so now click on change button. Let me remove this program files. It is existed. Now let me remove these program files. Now see directly Java JRE 7 is available or not? Click on OK button. See Java JRE 7. Am I right or not? Then what next one here? Click on what button there? Next button. Clear? Now automatically this version is also be installed again. It's going to be installed. Right, sir. Now 3 billion devices run Java, computers, printers, and routers, cell phones, and all. So many devices are using Java. Right, so now next one is what there? Click on close button. Then what next version? Which version I have to install there? One more version, 1.8 version here we have to install or not? Double click on it. When we double click on it, now again it is asking about like what there? JDK location there. All right, so click on next button. Now girl, click on change button. I have to change this one. Program files here I want to remove there. All right, click on OK button. Now click on next button. JDK is going to be installed. Next it is going to ask about what there? JRE. JRE that we have to, it's asking there. There also we have to change the location. Guys, all of you are following these points now? Nothing I'm discussing today, just how to install Java software. Important information not required. Later I will discuss about this note is there. No need to think much about it. Now it is asking about JRE location, right? Now let me click on change button. Then here, what I have to provide there, C, extract this. Now here Java. Inside the Java, I need to create a folder, make a new folder. I need to create a folder JRE8. Select it again. Inside this one, I want to install it. OK button. Now what is the location you have taken there? C, Java, JRE8. Click on next button. It's going to be installed. Java 8 version may take a little bit time, small time, but we have to wait for it. When compared with the Java 6 and 7, Java 8 is somewhat heavyweight. So it may take a little bit time, small time. Once it is completed, it's going to be installed clearly. Meanwhile, we can understand 3 billion devices run Java. Different devices, 3 billion number types of devices are running Java. Okay, there's a scope of the Java there in outside. Right, sir. Guys, any difficulties about this content? No? Easily, all of you are understanding or not? Don't worry, this installation step by step notes is available with me. I'll paste that notes in the document there so that you can understand clearly. Right, now totally the total content is completed here. Click on close button. That's it. Now let's see this one here. Now see this, what folders are available here? What folders are available there? 3 JDKs are available, 3 JREs are available. JDK 1.6, 1.7, 1.8, JRE 6, JRE 7, JRE 8. Totally, how many versions of Java installed now? 3 versions of Java installed. Java 6, Java 7, Java 8. All of you are getting clarity or not? That's it, guys. Now this is about the installation of the Java software. But for my other classes, I have some other batches, no? Other classes, Java 17 is also required for me. I want to install that later on. No need to think about it. I'll install that later on here now. But as of now, what I completed clearly, just 3 versions of Java here we installed. Only installed. That's it. I have not provided any setups. I have not specified any settings there. Got my point or not? Just I installed the Java software. Clear? All right, sir. Almost all now the time is what there? 6 o'clock. Okay, almost all. 6 o'clock. Then I want to stop today now here itself. Tomorrow I'll continue the content. Please, before going to finish our session there, can you tell me our schedule is what? Tomorrow at what time we have to come? 4:30. Tomorrow come at 4:30. Then after 3 days of time, 2 slots we have to attend few days of time. Once 4:30 foundation content is completed, continuously we have to attend our class at what time there? 6 o'clock. Please remember this schedule. Don't worry. This is because of you only. Otherwise, first I have to take foundation classes. 15 days of time, it is a waste now. No problem. You can understand Java clearly right from Oops concepts here. Just come to the class. I will take care about it now. I will inject the content clearly, effectively. No need to worry for it. But your participation is what there. Just to come to the class and sit in front of me. That's enough. Just to come to the class and sit in front of me. Everybody will understand the content. Yes, sir, got it or not? I will give assurance to you. You are going to understand the content. Subject level we are able to get. Effectively we are able to get. More and more depth you are going to understand. The depth is more than sufficient for you to keep even up to 3 to 4 years of experience in our resume. Not even in the point of freshers. No, up to 3 to 4 years of experience we can keep with our subject. Up to that level I can give confidence to you. Right, sir? That's all for today. Then tomorrow we'll meet at 4:30. Please, I'm requesting to everybody, try to come for the class at least by 4:40. Some of you are coming to the class bit delay. 4:30 is actual time there, but up to 4:40 also better to come for the class. Of course, even 5 minutes before a completing class also you can come inside the class. I don't have any problem. But leaving from the classes in the middle is not good thing. That I feel anyway. Right, sir? Don't take in wrong way. But for the sake of you, I'm telling you. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. I'll meet on tomorrow. Thank you. Guys, those who are attending in online, don't worry. That link and everything I will share to you, like what there. I'll share that link to you through mail or maybe through the mobile number as a message. No, then we are able to achieve. We are able to see that content. Don't worry for it. Yeah, please. 4:30 కంటిన్యూ అవుతాయి 4:36 కంటిన్యూ అవుతాను దాంతో పాటుగా 3 days తర్వాత 6 o'clock స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను
ఈ ఒక 10 to 12 days మాత్రం 2 slots అటెండ్ అవ్వాల్సి వస్తుంది. వన్స్ ఈ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ క్లాస్ అయిపోతే ఇంక మీరు డైరెక్ట్ 6 o'clock కంటిన్యూ అవ్వాల్సి వస్తుంది. పర్లేదండి, ఇదే ఏంటండి. అంటే 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 ఒకటి ఇక్కడ ఈ క్లాసెస్తో పాటు ఆటోమేటిక్గా మీకు ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది ట్రైనింగ్, సాఫ్ట్వేర్కి రిలేటెడ్ ఏదైతే అవసరమో అదంతా కూడా మీకు వచ్చేస్తూనే ఉంటుంది. ఎట్లా ఫేస్ చేయొచ్చు అంటే మీరు ఎట్లా బిహేవ్ చేయాలి, మీరు ఎట్లా రెస్పాన్స్ అవ్వాలి, అవన్నీ ఆటోమేటిక్గా వచ్చేస్తూ ఉంటుంది, మీకు ఇబ్బంది ఏం లేదు. అంటే స్పోకెన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ క్లాసెస్ అట్లా ఉండదులే, కానీ ఆ యాక్టివిటీస్ అంతా కూడా మీకు క్లారిటీ ఇస్తాం, క్లియర్గా ఇస్తాం. అంటే దెన్ యూ షుడ్ బి రెడీ at the end. Then we are going to work with any type of project in any company. వస్తాయండి, ఇది ఇట్స్ ప్రాసెస్, పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది కోర్స్ ఓన్లీ. మీ కంపెనీస్ మేము ఇన్వైట్ చేస్తాం, వాళ్ళు వస్తారు ఇక్కడికి, వాళ్ళు వచ్చి ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ తీసేసుకుంటూ ఉంటారు, స్టూడెంట్స్ సెలెక్ట్ అయిపోతూ ఉంటారు, వెళ్ళిపోతూ ఉంటారు, ఆన్ గోయింగ్ ఆన్ ప్రాసెస్. బట్ కోర్ జావా కోసం వచ్చేసి తక్కువ, ఫుల్ స్టాక్ మీదే వస్తారు ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ అంతా కూడా. ఫుల్ స్టాకే జనరల్గా ప్రిఫర్ చేస్తారు ప్రతి కంపెనీ. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చినప్పుడు మేము ఫుల్ స్టాకే చెప్తాం అందరికి. కాదు, ఓపెన్ ఆపర్చునిటీ, నేను ఎక్కడ కూడా ఎవరి స్టూడెంట్ ఆపను. ఇట్స్ ఓపెన్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ స్టూడెంట్, ఈవెన్ వీఆర్ ఇన్ కోర్ జావా. ఇఫ్ కంపెనీ is coming there, I'll allow you, then you can show your performance there. Then if you are talented, you will be selected there with core Java only. But we'll provide open opportunities. Okay, okay. సీబెట్లో చేస్తున్నారా, గంగాధర్ గారా? సీబెట్, అచ్చా అచ్చా అచ్చా. ఓకే 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 సార్. ఓకే 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 ఓకే. అవును అవును అవును. పర్లేదు పర్లేదు. అంటే ఇక్కడ ప్రజెంట్ ఈ ప్రాజెక్ట్ టీం లేదండి, ఇంకా ఇది పాండమిక్ తర్వాత అసలు మనం అది పెట్టలేదు, ఇంకా లేదు, తీసేసాం అది. ఇక్కడ కొన్ని ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్స్ ఉంటాయండి ప్రాజెక్ట్ చేసేవి. ఇక్కడ ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కెల్లీ టెక్నాలజీస్ అనే ఒకటి ఉంది ఇక్కడ, ఇక్కడ ఈ పక్క బిల్డింగ్ లో, ఒక్కసారి అక్కడ కనుక్కోండి. అది చలోనే దానిలో కెల్లీ అవి ఉంటాయి ఇక్కడ. ఎందుకంటే పర్లేదు పర్లేదండి, థ్యాంక్ యూ. యా అమ్మా. Yeah, these classes are for full stack only actually. Part of the full stack, this core Java was started today. Continuously course are going to be started. See, then Java part I will take the responsibility. Then 2 slots I'm going to take for Java. Remaining Oracle or UI technologies at any time we can attend for the classes there. Yeah. Then continuously morning to evening the class are going to be started there. When the new batches are coming there, every week that batch are going to be started. So then we can plan for it. But Java I will take the responsibility up to Java. So Java will give the roadmap to you. Don't worry for it. So maybe within 1 or 2 days of time, I'll give the roadmap to you. Don't worry for it. But Oracle classes or UI classes, then DevOps classes, these classes at any cost of time, at any point of time, we can start with the classes. Okay, don't worry. Then otherwise, I'll give intimation. You just wait 1 or 2 days of time. Then if new batches are coming there, then notice will come to us. Then I will announce in the classroom there. So by that we can plan for it. Fine, thank you. Yeah. అంటే ఇప్పుడున్న సిచ్యువేషన్ ఎట్లుందంటే మార్కెట్లో ప్రతి కంపెనీ దే ఆర్ లుకింగ్ ఫర్ ఫుల్ స్టాక్ జావా డెవలపర్. అది ఫ్రెషర్ లేకపోతే ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ పక్కన పెట్టేసింది కంప్లీట్. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు వాళ్ళకి కావాల్సింది ఏంటంటే ఒక సింగిల్ పర్సన్ ప్రాజెక్ట్ రైట్ ఫ్రమ్ స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్ ఎండింగ్ పాయింట్ అంతా ఇన్వాల్వ్ అయ్యే వాళ్ళు కావాలి. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు లేదంటూ అట్లా లేరనుకో, మీ ప్లేస్లో ఏమైపోద్ది, ఒక 5 రిసోర్సెస్ కావాల్సి వస్తుంది ఫుల్ స్టాక్ కాకపోతే, వాళ్ళు అన్నెసరీ కాస్ట్ కదా. అందుకని ప్రతి కంపెనీ దే ఆర్ లుకింగ్ ఫర్ ఫుల్ స్టాక్ జావా. నేనా? లేదండి, నేను కంప్లీట్ జావా మొత్తం తీసుకుంటాను, అప్ టు వెబ్ సర్వీసెస్ వరకు మొత్తం నేనే తీసేసుకుంటా. అరాకిల్ యూఐ క్లాసెస్ ఇవి నాన్ రిలేటెడ్ జావా ఉంటాయి కదా, వేరే టైమ్స్ తీసుకుంటాను. ఈ టైమింగ్ మీరు ఇది అసైన్ చేయాల్సిందే. మీరు 4:30 అనేది ఒక 15 డేస్లో అయిపోతుంది. 6 to 9 o'clock నా క్లాసే, 6 to 9 నా క్లాసే, 3 days 6 to 9 నా క్లాసెసే. ఇంకా బిఫోర్ దట్ క్లాసెస్ నడుస్తూ ఉంటాయి, అన్ని క్లాసులు కంటిన్యూస్గా వస్తాయి. ఆ క్లాస్లో మీరు జాయిన్ అయిపోవచ్చు, ఎప్పుడు ఎక్కడ మీకు కంఫర్ట్ ఎక్కడ టైం ఉంటే అక్కడ జాయిన్ అయిపోవచ్చు. ఎవ్రీ వీక్ స్టార్ట్ అయితేనే ఉంటాయి బ్యాచెస్, యూఐ టెక్నాలజీస్ కానీ అరాకిల్ కానీ అవన్నీ కూడా మీరు ప్లాన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఓకే, రైట్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. యా ప్లీజ్. ఓకే, అవునండి. అంటే నేను చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే లాస్ట్ 3 to 4 years వరకు యూ కెన్ క్లైమ్ సమ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. దాని బిఫోర్ ఏం చేసామని అడుగుతాడు, డెఫినెట్గా అడుగుతాడు. దానికి అప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పాలి, ఆన్సర్ అయితే చెప్పాలి, ప్రాపర్ రీజన్ చెప్పొచ్చు. కానీ ఇది లైట్, పెద్ద ఏముండదు. లాస్ట్ 3 years ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ మీరు సాటిస్ఫై చేస్తే తీసేసుకుంటారు, పెద్ద ఇష్యూనే కాదు అదంతా కూడా. అదేం లేదండి, పెద్ద ఇష్యూనే కాదు, అందరు చేసే పని అదే. దాని వేరే అసలు మీకు 70 to 80% ఆఫ్ పీపుల్ మన ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ స్టార్ట్ చేసే టైంకి క్లాస్లో ఒక 100 మెంబర్స్ ఉంటే దానిలో 70% పీపుల్ దే ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు పుట్ సమ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. ఏం లేదండి, మీరు హ్యాపీగా రావచ్చు, ఏం ఇబ్బంది లేదు. సరిపోతుంది, నడుస్తుంది, ఏం కాదు. Yeah, guys, those who are attending in online, just I will give object. Guys, then I'll give I will talk with you guys, and tomorrow I'll give some time to you so that we can discuss there. Then if you have any doubt, then I will discuss with you on tomorrow, right? Thank you guys, thanks a lot.